Yo, what's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the latest and most updated Pokemon GO Spoofer working as of November 2024. As you guys can see on the screen recording right now, what we're going to be doing is getting this Pokemon GO Spoofer right here. And you guys can see it, but basically what we're going to do is get all those settings added to Pokemon GO. One of my favorites, let's go through some of them, is the teleport feature. So you can come over here and we can go to the teleport, hold, you long hold or where you want to press. You can auto walk, copy coordinates, or just teleport. You press OK, and boom, you teleport to that location. So it really is that insane. There's also another awesome setting is the joystick. So I'm going to show you that now. You scroll down in settings and find joystick dynamic/static. Turn that on, okay? And now you have a joystick, which then you can go ahead and move in any direction and auto walk. So if it's raining, snowing, whatever, you don't want to go outside, you can stay inside and play Pokemon Go. Now with this feature, with this Pokemon Go, basically Spoofer, you can go to other countries, visit, rare Pokemon, literally do everything with this. Be careful of the cooldown of kind of where you're teleporting to. You want to kind of change countries every 24 hours if you are doing that, just to, not get banned, I guess. So yeah, just be careful of that. But once you got that, let's go ahead and show you actually how to install it here today. It's going to be completely for free and super easy. So come over here to Google or Safari, Firefox, Chrome. It's basically the same thing on iOS and Android, so don't worry about that. And we're going to visit to this website. It's called easyspoof.com. So I'm going to spell this out for you. I'm going to type this in. Simply type this in. So type www.easy for easy and then spoof, spoof.com, easyspoof.com, okay? Once you're here, you're going to load the Easy Spoof website. It's going to say change GPS location, go anywhere, teleport, walking simulator, exactly what I was kind of showing you. Check IV previews, modify the catch settings. Basically everything is all there, okay? So simply just go ahead to the top and press on download now, then press start installation. Now once you press start installation, Easy Spoof is going to go ahead and actually install the spoofer for you. Not going to take too long. You're just going to simply wait for this to basically go ahead and finish installing the spoofer. So in order for this to install, it is going to need some additional plugin files. I'm going to run you through and show you exactly how to do that here today. That's why we're doing this tutorial. It doesn't require a computer, and this is why I'm basically making a video on this, because we've got to basically install the additional plugin files. But don't worry, it's easy and we should be all good. So as you guys can see, Easy Spoof is just basically going ahead and finishing the installation, and it shouldn't be too much longer now. Okay. Loading apps. Perfect. So it's going to come to this page, which is going to look pretty much to you, unless Pokemon Go update the icon. It's going to look exactly the same. It's going to say your plugin requires 2 additional plugin files to install. Now, as you guys can see, you're going to see a list of them here. You only have to complete 2 of them, and this will install the Easy Spoof Spoofer plugin. Now, one of them here is just simply says go ahead and install TikTok. So you can go ahead and do that one. That's going to be nice and easy, guys. Let's go ahead and show you how to do that one right now. Okay, let's go ahead and load this. Just says redirecting us to the App Store. If it wants to. Cool. Wait for it to load. Now, if you already have TikTok, I highly recommend not doing the TikTok one, okay? You want to do ones that you don't actually have, so that can go ahead and work for you. So let's go ahead and do another one. Let's go back. Okay. Now you can do this Travel Town one, but it says to get to level 9, so you can do that one. But for me, I'm going to do this fetch one. It just says go ahead and get this fetch app. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then that's going to count as our second one. And the reason why we have to do this, guys, is basically it's not, you don't have to use a computer when you do it this way. You do normally will have to use a computer to actually install and sideload, but Easy Spoof, like its name, makes it super easy to do this, and this is basically the best way to get a spoofer I've found on Pokemon Go. Okay, so now we've completed both of those, guys. As you guys can see, it says we needed 2. What we need to do is read the instructions and complete them. So TikTok said go ahead and open up TikTok and use it. Fetch just says go ahead and open and register for an account. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's open up TikTok. Now, it didn't say to create an account, so you don't have to. Should be all good, okay? You can go ahead, obviously, sign in with your Apple or Facebook, Twitter, whatever. Create a TikTok account. It's actually a very good app. A lot of people don't like it, but it is very addicting. Now, the fetch one just said go ahead and create an account and make sure to scan. So you can go ahead and sign with Apple, make sure that's all working, and that should be all good. But now that we've completed those, that should be enough. So when we're going to come back to here, it should actually load the Easy Spoof installer for us. Alrighty, and as you guys can see, it's going to say this website is trying to download a configuration profile. So this is basically saying, hey, we're installing the spoofer for you. You want to press allow. Now, if you're on Android, it's going to install the APK. Just go ahead and install that. It's going to be very easy for you. Simply come over here to settings on your iOS and then go to more for your iPhone. Go to view profile and then you're going to see Easy Spoof exactly like this. Press install. Type in your passcode, press next, press install, done, and now you have the Easy Spoofer installed. Now once you go back into Pokemon Go, you're going to have the basically menu installed once it loads in, as you guys can see, and you're going to have this, you have the map, you have teleporting, auto walking, IV previews. Basically, you like a Pokemon over there, hold, and then teleport, press OK, boom, you're there. So it is that cool, guys. It's that easy. It's completely for free. You install it for iOS and Android with no computer needed. Install from Easy Spoof very quickly, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.